Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Expedition EL, and today I'm going to show you to reset your oil life. So say you just got an oil change and you want that notice to go away. You'll turn your key to the accessory on position, so don't turn the vehicle all the way on, just to the on position. And then here, this oil change required, we're going to get rid of that. So we're going to use these two buttons as reset in the setup. So we'll hit reset, and then we'll hit the setup twice, 1, 2. So, and then I'll show it again since I didn't show you hit the buttons a little further out. So accessory position, and then reset, setup twice. I'll have to clear this warning off first. Okay, so reset, setup twice. Now we're on the oil life. Now we'll push and hold reset. And now we're at 100%. So now you should be all reset and good to go. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.